I have an update for you. It is July 23rd, 2018. I'm Lori Ballen in Las Vegas with Keller Williams Realty, Lori Ballen team, and ballenbrands.com. And I made a playlist series on YouTube back in, let's see, the last updated was February, so I updated it not too long ago. But I made this last year. It is a series, a 6 video series on now a 7 on how to blog on WordPress for real estate specifically. And the blog was all about hyper local blogging. So, how to discover keywords that are about your area and how to optimize it and how to add schema and Yoast and et cetera, et cetera. Okay. So the whole thing was about blogging on WordPress specifically, but I did cover hyperlocal. If you look down here, WordPress blog, one blog, 69 keywords on Google in 2 weeks. This was step 6. And this was the last update that I gave you on how everything works. So if you're watching this series, here's an update for you. So we're going to go over, the question I got this morning was, what's the latest? Where did this blog go? So I'll go over to my keyword tool, SEMrush, and I've got my domain open. Here are all of my keywords. Right now I've got 17,000 keywords ranking in the top 100 pages of Google. And here I'm going to type in the same keyword I typed in the last update video, which is Cosmopolitan Las Vegas. So the blog series was all about this hotel, Cosmopolitan Las Vegas. On the last update, we had 69 keywords ranking in the top 100. So I'll go ahead and hit this. And as of today, we have 133 keywords with that exact phrase match inside of it. And we have, if we take out the Las Vegas and just leave Cosmopolitan, we have 221. So this page now has 221 keywords ranking in the top 100 of Google. And if you look here, I have this sorted by highest traffic earners. The buffet is actually bringing in the most traffic, and then the pool, and then the Cosmopolitan map, Cosmopolitan parking, and so forth. And you can see here we've got several on page 1 of Google, with the highest position today being position number 7. So it hasn't gone quite as high as I wanted it to, and I have to be honest with you, I did not put a lot of work into it after the fact. So this was all one day, one blog, and it's gone from there. I have not built any backlinks or created any videos or done anything else to push that up higher. And this is a great example, actually, of what can be done with a blog without doing a lot of backlinking and promotion if the blog itself is done well. So that is the latest update. If you are in the market for a real estate website, please contact us at ballenbrands.com. And when you hear of somebody that wants to buy or sell in Las Vegas, Henderson, or North Las Vegas, Lori Ballen team covers that whole greater Las Vegas area, and we would very much appreciate your referral. Thank you for joining me today.